Welcome back to Racing Physics, Part 2. This is where I'll be talking about wet weather racing. The grip available goes down when it rains because the track's wet. It's actually the most slippery at the beginning of the rain though, because any oil that's left on track will start gathering up and clumping up as it's being washed away, and if you hit that oil, it's even more slippery. The acceleration limit will be lower, which means all of the times when you're on the limit of the car, all the times when you're using all of the acceleration that the tires have to offer, like turning, braking, and getting on the throttle on corner exit, they'll all have to be more gentle because you won't have the same amount of grip that you currently did. Water can also pool up in little patches and little divots in the track, and if you hit one of those, you'll immediately lose grip. It's like hydroplaning. Tires also wear down, and there are tiny little holes in the track, and when tires wear down, they put their rubber inside those holes. That'll make the two lines where the tires normally go super flat. If they're super flat, the water has nowhere to go to allow space for your wheels to hit the ground, and that'll make, when it's wet, those two tracks where tires normally go slicker because of how flat they are. It's safe to stay at least a tire's width off the racing line on every single corner. Any paint has the same problem because paint fills in the holes where the asphalt is. The paint has a very similar grip amount to asphalt when it's not wet, but because when it's wet it's slicker, it has less grip, and you can spin out just by getting a tire on the white line. Avoid all painted lines when you're on the limit of the tires. The curbs are actually the most dangerous because the way they're formed is they're like this, right? And on these little patches right here, water can gather up. And so when you hit it, you're hitting a bunch of patches of water. It's just going to spin you out. Stay off the curbs as much as possible when it's wet. Thanks for watching Racing Physics Episode 2. If you go over to Racing Techniques, you'll find ways to learn how to drive now that you know these physics.